Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Himangi and I welcome you all to this new video. And आज on 15th of July, my channel Himangi's Trading Journey has been turned 1 month. 15th of June को मैंने स्टार्ट किया था मेरा चैनल एंड आज 15th of July है. मैंने एक महीने में ऑलमोस्ट 28 to 30 वीडियोज़ अपलोड कर दी है. एवरी डे आई मेक श्योर दैट वन वीडियो शुड गो ऑन माई चैनल, बी इट अ शॉर्ट्स वीडियो और अ लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट वीडियो. मैं हर रोज़ मेरे चैनल पे वीडियो अपलोड कर रही हूँ एंड आई थिंक इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, energy and effort for me to make these videos, but I think it's all worth it because the amount of love and support which you guys are showing on my videos, I'm just filled with gratitude and happiness. That thank you so much to each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel, for commenting on my videos and liking my videos and everything like that. I am just so grateful to you guys. So आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ माई फर्स्ट स्टेप इन टू द ट्रेडिंग एंड स्टॉक मार्केट वर्ल्ड. मैंने क्या किया इन द पास्ट कपल ऑफ मंथ्स as to take my first step into the trading world, and this can be your blueprint to take your first freaking step into the stock market world and how you can start your stock trading journey. This is what we are going to talk about in today's video. It is going to be filled with knowledge, insights and valuable content, so you do not want to miss this. Watch this video till the end, and yeah, without wasting much time, let's dive into this video. So talking about what is my first step into the stock trading world, it is not opening a demat account, it is actually investing in my learning and in my knowledge. And I feel like investment in knowledge pays the best return, and this is the quote which I live by, which I stand by, that I want to invest into my learning. I want to grab some amount of knowledge, not all the knowledge but some amount of knowledge about this stock market world, so that I can have a better idea and I can start my trading journey with a little bit of knowledge, because knowledge in stock trading comes from experience and that is also very important. But before that, I need to have some basic knowledge which can help me to take better steps and not make any mistakes in the initial phase itself. So yeah, this is my message. If you are also a beginner like me, this is my first tip that I would like to give you, that do not start right away, do not open a demat account right away. Just first learn about stock market, what is basics of stock market, what is price action, what is technical analysis, what is fundamental analysis, how stock prices move, demand, supply, support, resistance, trend line, ये सब सीखो and then enter into the stock market world. And I can say that it will be much better. Instead of just jumping into the ocean, just learn to swim first and then jump into the ocean. That is what I would like to say to you all. So today in this video, I'm going to share about what are the courses and what is the investment that I did in my learning and in my knowledge about stock market, and मैंने कैसे stock market के बारे में सीखना start किया था. And I'm going to take you to an Excel sheet and show every freaking detail about that particular course and all the stuff that I have did till now. So yeah, let's go to the Excel sheet and let me show you to you all the things that I have did in the past couple of months. So here we are. Now if you guys will see, I have written here that investment in knowledge pays the best return, and this thing, this Excel sheet I've been making since the time when I started learning about stock market. Like you can see, from March I have started, and when my boards got over, I think my boards had got over on 22nd of March, and from 26th of March I started this journey and it's been great, touch wood. And yeah, so in this Excel sheet you will find a few details like the date, course, topic, कोच एंड मेंटोर, प्लेटफॉर्म का नाम क्या है, प्राइस क्या है उस कोर्स का, कितना मुझे हेल्प किया है, उसको मैं कितना रेटिंग दूंगी, द वैल्यू रेटिंग्स, एंड मुझे उस कोर्स को कंप्लीट करने में कितना टाइम लगा था. एज वेल एज आई ऑल्सो शेयर द लिंक विथ यू ऑल. तो ये कोर्स, ये एक्सेल शीट की लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी, तो आप इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. और अगर आपको कोई भी लिंक चाहिए, सो यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द लिंक सेक्शन एंड यू विल गेट द लिंक एंड ऑल द other details that you want to know about my courses that I have did. So yeah, फर्स्ट कोर्स जो मैंने स्टार्ट किया था वो था बेसिक्स ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट. ऑब्वियसली मुझे बेसिक के बारे में थोड़ा सा आइडिया था, बट आई डिडंट न्यू इट अबाउट इन डिटेल. से मुझे डिटेल के बारे में बेसिक्स ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट सीखना था. दैट्स वाई आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग अबाउट बेसिक्स ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट फर्स्ट, जो कि मैंने 26th of March को स्टार्ट किया था. एंड इट वॉज अबाउट बेसिक्स ऑफ कोर्स, एंड इट वॉज by this coach or mentor who is known as Khagesh Agarwal. He is great and बहुत ही easy language में समझाया था. It was on a platform called upsurge.club and इसका प्राइस था 400 rupees 399 and quite affordable and good for the quality and the quantity of the like quality and quantity of the course and of the knowledge that you are getting and how much it helped me. So मैंने इससे सीखा NSE BSE क्या होता है, परफॉर्मेंस क्या है स्टॉक मार्केट की, एंड ऑल दी अदर स्टफ आई शो यू इन जस्ट अ बिट. एंड इसको मैं रेटिंग दूंगी 8.5 आउट ऑफ 10. मैंने ये कोर्स को 3 to 4 आवर्स में कंप्लीट कर दिया था बिकॉज इट इज़ जस्ट 1 hour of learning, and because I make notes also and I practically implement some things also, so that is why it took me 3 to 4 hours to complete. So now let's just go over here. So we are onto this platform, and what you will learn is that you will have a solid trading foundation. Also, you will get to know about the performance of NSE and BSE. You will acquire the fundamental knowledge about the stock market, and also you will understand about the various asset class and their market behavior. Then the second course which I started was on the very next day, which was about technical analysis. So it was on price action. It was again by Khagesh Agarwal sir, and it was again on popsurge.club and on of the same price, which is 399. इसमें मैंने सीखा था फिबोनाची क्या होता है, इंडिकेटर्स क्या होते हैं, सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस क्या होता है, एंड आई विल गिव इट अ सॉलिड 9 आउट ऑफ 10 बिकॉज सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस, ट्रेंड लाइन, इंडिकेटर्स, फिबोनाची रिट्रेसमेंट और इन सब का बहुत ही अच्छा बेसिक आइडिया मुझे पता चल गया था. ये 4 आवर्स का कंटेंट जिसको मैंने 1 से 3 दिन में कंप्लीट कर दिया था. एंड नाउ लेट्स गो ऑन टू दिस, एंड हियर वी आर. So what you will learn is that you will get to learn about the psychology of successful trading, and also and आपको fundamental concepts of chart and patterns भी समझ में आएंगे. chart patterns कैसे form होते हैं, everything like that. Fibonacci retracement क्या होता है, उसकी series क्या होती है, and everything. support resistance और trend lines को कैसे plot करना है, that also you will understand. and अगर आपको और भी आइडिया लाना है तो you can just सी ओवर हियर. आपको ये नीचे PDF की जो लिंक मिली आप वहाँ से इसको ये लिंक को एक्सेस कर सकते हो. राइट नाउ गोइंग ऑन टू द 1 अप्रैल को मैंने क्या किया था, मैंने ऑप्शंस ट्रेडिंग के बारे में कोर्स करना स्टार्ट किया था, विच वॉज आई गेस नॉट अ वेरी गुड डिसीजन बिकॉज एट द बिगनर लेवल मेरा माइंड was not able to grasp all of this thing which sir was trying to say. So this was about options, and Abhishek Kar sir ने लिया था, and like his explanation level is on next level. I loved it, but considering the amount of knowledge which I already had, it was not enough to understand options. So that is why मुझे इतना अच्छे समझ में नहीं आया. It was again for 399 and call option, put option, OI option change क्या होता है, ये सब मुझे समझ में आ गया था. But उसके आगे जो भी समझाना ट्राई किया, that was out of my intelligence. So I would rate it, for me it was a 7 on 10. and then it was 5 hours का content which I completed in 2 to 5 days. आधा कोर्स मैंने कंप्लीट नहीं किया because of course my foundation was not that strong. Going on to the link, so you can see here what you will get to learn is that fundamentals of option trading, key option trading strategies also you will get to learn, and how to apply the right option trading strategy at the right time and everything like that. You can see how detailed it is. It is very useful if you have a basic knowledge about stock market and about derivatives, then only you will get to understand it. If you are like me, if you are in like the beginner level, I would recommend to do few other courses before that, so that you can understand them better. Okay, so after doing basics of options trading course in English, I thought that because this is in English, I might not have understood it that better. If I do it in Hindi, मुझे अच्छे से समझ में आएगा, और भी अच्छे से समझ में आएगा, जो भी डाउट्स है वो क्लियर हो जाएंगे. So there was another course which was in Hindi of basics of options trading, and that was again on Upsurge by Jyoti Budhia ma'am. She is amazing, excellent explanation, but again अच्छे से समझ में आया, बट इतना डिटेल में जो भी मैम समझाना चाह रहे थे वो मुझे इतना अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आया. सो आई अंडरस्टूड सेलिंग एंड बाइंग ऑफ ऑप्शन. सो कॉल ऑप्शन क्या होता है, कॉल ऑप्शन सेल और बाय हम कब करते हैं, पुट ऑप्शन को हम बाय एंड सेल कब करते हैं, वो सब मुझे समझ में आ गया था. एंड स्पॉट, स्ट्राइक प्राइस, ओपन इंटरेस्ट, ऑप्शन चेन, थोड़ा सा मुझे ग्रीक्स भी समझ में आए थे, लाइक थीटा क्या होता है, डेल्टा क्या होता है, एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड आई विल अगेन गिव दिस अ 7 on 10. 5 hours का कॉन्टेंट है. अगेन इट टुक मी 2 to 5 days to complete. And now let's go on to here. So in this course you will get to learn about the foundational principles, what are the option trading strategies and all, essential terminologies and key indicators, practical learnings with real life examples, and again very detailed and very good explanation. अगर आपको हिंदी अच्छे समझ में आता, अगर आपको डेरिवेटिव्स का आइडिया है, डेफिनेटली आई वुड रिकमेंड यू गाइज टू डू दिस. लाइक आपको बियर पुट स्प्रेड क्या होता है, बियर कॉल स्प्रेड क्या होता है, एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट यू विल गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड इन अ मच मोर ईजी एंड डिटेल्ड मैनर. And next course, which was the best course which I have did about trading, was this one. It was intraday specific course. It was on intraday trading by Ravi Chandiramani sir. I think he explains stuff in a very easy manner, and that is the reason why मुझे ये कोर्स करने के बाद बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया आया था about how trading works. And this was very very detailed, and I'll show you what is in this particular course. It was on this platform called as Trade Legend. So it was for 7997. And then after doing this course I had a lot of idea actually, but key idea which I had was about price action, support, resistance and trend line, and also demand and supply zones, how to place order, trading view कैसे use करना, and a lot of different things. So I will give this a solid 10 on 10. And you know what, this is for 30 to 40 hours का content. 30-40 hours का content is in this particular course, and it took me a nice 1 month to complete it, because again I told you I make notes meanwhile. So yeah, let's go over here. This is the link of the website, because I don't know why, but I'm not able to share the link of the course itself, but the course is here. So yeah, this is intraday specific course by Trade Legend, and इसके अंदर आपको 20 hours का content मिलेगा, which is pre-recorded, but also you will get the live sessions का recording as well. So I considered that as well. So you'll get to learn about basics of stock market also. So if you don't want to do all of them, just take intraday specific course जिसके अंदर आपको basics of stock market भी समझ में आ जाएगा, price action, technical analysis भी समझ में आ जाएगा, जिसके अंदर you will also get to learn about everything that you have learned, you will get to implement that as well. So yeah, you can see, let's go on to the content here. You will get a welcome kit wherein basics of stock market is covered. Beginners journey में आप जाओगे, so how to build your trading career, and then order placement क्या होता है, trading view की website कैसे use करनी है, fundamental and technical analysis as well, प्राइस एक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट में बेसिस ऑफ प्राइस एक्शन, एडवांस प्राइस एक्शन, सुपर एडवांस प्राइस एक्शन एज वेल. लाइव क्लासेस में आप चाहोगे, सो यू विल ऑल्सो गेट सम लाइव क्लासेस रिकॉर्डिंग अगर आपने अटेंड किए होगे तो. And yeah, 7-step process for intraday trading, you will get to learn that as well. So yeah, basically my main motive of saying is that this is very detailed course. अगर आपको एक ही कोर्स में enroll करना, I will say invest in this particular course. Then after 1 month, 19th of May को I started this one, which is option specific course. So it is over here, and yeah, let's see what is in this. You will get to learn about options basic, Greek, buying strategies, selling strategies, and everything like that, which you can read over here. And content में अगर हम जाते हैं तो you will get to experience a zero to hero program, which is all the things which we already saw in the intraday course, intraday specific course, जो वो सारा आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा. Then options basic में option trading क्या होती है, options क्या होता है, right to buy, right to sell, ये सारा आपको सीखने को मिलेगा. तो इससे मुझे options काफ़ी अच्छे समझ में आए थे. एंड या आई थिंक दिस वॉज अ 10 on 10 फॉर मी. अभी भी ये कोर्स पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज दिस इज़ 50 hours ऑफ कॉन्टेंट. सो या आई हैव टू टेक सम टाइम टू कम्प्लीट दिस. सो इससे अभी तक मुझे कॉल ऑप्शन, OI, ऑप्शन चेन एंड ऑप्शंस क्या होता है ओवरऑल वो मुझे समझ में बहुत ही अच्छे से आ गया है. सो आई कैन नॉट गिव यू द वैल्यू रेटिंग्स एज ऑफ नाउ. when I'm done with this, I'll definitely tell you all. And इसके अंदर 50 hours of content है, and this is the website link. And then right now what I am doing, so ये मैंने 19th May को start किया था, अभी भी ये चल रहा है. So अभी as of now what I am doing, I'll tell you that. So right now we have enrolled for trading mentorship program by eLearn Markets, and I think it's going to be a great journey because अभी ये start नहीं हुआ है, but I have experienced the orientation and I can see that it's very exciting. So you will get to learn about everything about trading. ये अभी start नहीं हुआ है, and there are a lot of mentors which are there. I will just make you guys know about that just in a bit. So yeah, let's go to the website. And here we are. So it is known as multi-asset trading mentorship program, and you can see that there are a lot of different things that you are going to learn. You can go to the website and learn about that. So yeah, alright, so I actually can't share the Excel which I got from the TMP team, that what we are going to do in that, because it's a bit confidential as of now. But I think in future I can share it with you all. As of now I can't, but I can give you a bit idea about what I'm going to do and what I'm going to learn in this particular mentorship program. Basically different modules. So first we'll learn about price action and their strategies. This is going to be conducted by Sauradip sir, and then we are going to learn about advanced trading strategies, which is going to be conducted by Vivek Bajaj sir. And after that, we are going to be learning about options trading, that is going to happen in October. So till then, we are going to do the price action strategies and also advanced trading strategies. That is what we are going to do in July, September and August. And after that, we are going to be doing the forex trading course, which is going to start in December. And after that, we are going to have short term momentum trading, which is going to be conducted by Abhijit Paul sir, and that is going to continue till March. So you can see that I have enrolled for a 1 year trading mentorship program, and iske baad I am going to have a lot of knowledge about stock market and trading. In 1 year me I am going to have a lot of experience as well. So I think it's going to be a great journey, a great learning journey so far. So yeah, this video is not a flex and not like a show off that ये मैंने इतने सारे courses कर लिए हैं. No, it is not like that. It is just to purely recommend you all some good trading courses जो कि मैंने किए और मुझे इतनी help हुई है. You can see that I have started learning about stock market 3 months ago. 3 months में मैंने इतना कुछ सीख लिया है. Then you can have an idea कि अगर आप इनमें से एक भी course कर लोगे then how much knowledge you can get by doing them. So yeah, that is about it. And yeah, I will also like to mention and give a great shout out to my papa, because he is the person who is making me do all of that. He is my support system. He is the one who is making me do all of this and supporting me throughout my journey. And yeah, that is about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it till here. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments down below. And if I made any mistakes, correct me in the comments. And I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. And this is Himangi wishing you a great day.